Hip hop reggae in a dancehall style. 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 That's why Dr. Alban tell everybody. Alban tell everybody. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. On a Friday morning, come a dumb man, come a life man. Life of a dance out, mash up the cars. On the run, missing come a King Street. Yeah, he was arrested and tested, and the drugs he had in him, he confessed it. Me calling on the youth in this country. Woolly for boys and a woolly for girls. Drug abuse is a dangerous thing. Start up drugs and stop the violence. In a decent time, we have to abuse the drugs. Listen what I say, hey, I'm a part of you. Too much drugs, you can go mental. That's why Dr. Alban tell everybody. We no want no coke, no heroin, no hash hash, no amphetamine. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Drug pushing is a serious thing. One time, two time, they make a million. Take all the money, run a foreign country. Build a big house, buy a big limousine. That's why I'm a talk so they for do the right thing. That's why Jaja sent me to tell them the truth. Cause it's a disgrace to the human race. Some are flying very high, some are flying very low. Could not differentiate what is right from wrong. We no want no cocaine, no heroin, no hash hash, no amphetamine. No marijuana planted in a me yard. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Me have one friend, them a call him Dennis Buff. Him have a little son, them a call him Daniel. He live a 2-room in a Stockholm city. One color TV, 2 stereo. He's a DJ producer of higher quality. He no deal with booze and abuse of drugs. I saw me giving thanks and praise, Jaja know. We play heavy rhythm in a dancehall style. Hip hop, reggae, soul, funk and blues. White crack in the morning, crack in the evening, crack in the night and crack non-stop. You no want no coke, no heroin.